Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous video of Bitcoin, I was telling you that Bitcoin is quite squeezing. Its movement is quite squeezing inside this falling wedge pattern that is formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And right now on the live chart, we can see that finally it has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of Bitcoin that I shared a few days back with my members on 22nd of Feb 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse shark pattern that Bitcoin formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see the price line was just entered the buying zone. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line followed the Fibonacci sequence of the chart and started a very nice reversal from here. And after hitting the sell target zone here, the price line again moved down. And before that, I shared another harmonic bullish reversal bad pattern that was formed on the same 4-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea on 5th of Feb 2023, few days back. And I told my members that we can expect a more drop of Bitcoin. And from here, from this price range, we can expect the next price reversal to the upside from here between this area. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this leg here. Then we had a nice reversal, and after hitting the sell target zone here, the price line again moved down. Then we had another powerful pump. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, first let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. Then I'll also take you here on the smaller time frame to show you this breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. We can see that we have two bullish scenarios here. One is on the weekly time frame chart, another one is on the 4-hour time frame chart. We had two falling wedges. One was formed on the weekly time frame chart, and for the past several months, you can see I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern, and I've been telling you that once Bitcoin will be able to break out this resistance of falling wedge pattern, then there will be a very high probability that the price line may start the next long-term rally from here. And now this swing low that we have here, approximately here at $15,479, can work as a very, very strong support for the long term for Bitcoin. And I'm expecting that now after forming this low, there will be a very, very low probability that the price line may form another lower than this low of $15,479, especially after breaking out this falling wedge pattern. However, there is still an upcoming very, very strong resistance that we have here at from $28,600 to $30,000. Even though you can see for the past several weeks, the price line is also struggling to break out another resistance of $25,000, but this resistance zone will be stronger than this one. And we can see previously for the past several weeks or months, it has been working as a very, very strong support here. And now once the price line will be reached there, then it can work as a very strong hurdle or resistance for the price line. And now if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here we have this falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous videos as well. And finally, we have broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And now this recent swing low that we have here before the breakout, by the way, this swing low we have at $22,770. And for example, if you are trading this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, then you can now technically set your stop loss below than this support. And now it can work as a very, very strong support for the price line for the short term on the 4-hour time frame chart. Previously, by the way, you can see it was breaking as a support here as well. And before breaking out, the price line also tested this support here. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this smaller falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, where we have this resistance of $25,000. And if we take a look at the final target for this big breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $70,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.